What a day, what a day. I'm riding desert roads at the moment. Pissed, but it is fantastic. Landscape is great. The roads are just like this, stones and sand. Hammond took a beating today, so I have to try to get the bike a little bit patched up. That's loose, that's gone. They are loose. On the other side was already loose and I sorted it out, so I have to do a little bit of patching up. The other thing I want to do is I want to cut off the screen. Not today because I need some tools. I need a hacksaw, what I don't have here. I want to cut it off about here. Because this is just no bueno. But otherwise, Hammond is holding up really good. The tires are the Mitas EO7. Absolutely fantastic. Really good. In the sand, on the gravel and everything else. You know, if you need the extra grip on a big bike like that, I think that's the tire to go. And they're not that expensive. I mean, in the end of the day, just use whatever you want. But I find these pretty good. They get me where I want to go. And they have good mileage on it. And as I said, gravel, sand, not bad. I say not bad because it's just a stupid thing to do on such a big bike anyway. Mud, forget about it. So, overall, I'm really happy with the bike. It's hard work with full luggage and everything. It's just a standard GS, so not the Adventure, not 30-litre tank, not all the faff around it. I mean, it would be better if it would be maybe a 900cc or something a bit smaller, but the boxer does well. And what I really like, the old oil heads, don't overheat, nothing. Power on this bike is more than enough. I mean, it's 100 horsepower. I've been riding all day between second and third gear on that sand and on that dirt and on the rubble. Right, let's get that stuff fixed, I think, before it gets dark.